A Russia-based businessman, CEO, founder of General Pharmaceutical Company.
After pandemic, you have to manufacture to, from A to Z. Fully you have to manufacture. That's why these big companies are making GVs.
Hi, I'm Seema Gill on BIGSTOry Network. Today we have a legend person who belongs to pharmaceutical industry, a Russia-based businessman, CEO, founder of General Pharmaceutical Company. We all welcome you on our BIGSTOry Network. Anshuman, you are more than 25 years in Russia. So what kind of experience being a business person you have?
Hi, Seema. First of all, let me tell you what is the difference, in the past when we started and nowadays. Right now, they are pushing more for local manufacturing. Right now, their rule is there: if two local players are there, so imported player cannot be participate. So it's getting tough and tough day by day. Pharmaceutical business all around, and in another sectors. Before pandemic, everybody was enjoying their work. Like I was doing pharmaceutical only, nothing more than that. But after pandemic, everybody is now believing in diversification. So like I am into a little bit of agriculture business, little bit of alcohol I have started. So diversification is the key right now. And what we are looking forward, there are hell amount of delegations are going between BRICS.
Okay.
Like India is going too much to Russia, Russia is coming to India, China. Now everybody is open for business. Hell amount of opportunities are there.
What kind of new opportunities you are looking after pandemic specifically?
That's what my point is. In the past, I'm taking from Russia the goods, and from there only I'm packaging, repackaging, and I'm selling it like made in Russia. It's not like that. No. Right now, it is a full cycle.
It's not just about the assembling; it's more about the manufacturing.
Manufacturing, you have to manufacture to, from A to Z. From substance to the product, to the molecule, fully you have to manufacture. That's why these big companies are making GVs. In defense, they are coming. Now, I'll tell you, even spare parts for aeroplanes and all those, lots of GVs is happening between Russia and India.
There is lots of opportunity.
So it will be the betterment for the society.
Now, we were just only in the metro cities, but now we are focusing more into tier 2, tier 3 cities and, rural India. The government are taking initiatives on this sector. So what do you think, what kind of opportunity in tier 2, tier 3 cities you are seeing?
We are already, we have shaked hands with, BIGSTORY.
Yeah.
We have joined hands with BIGSTORY, and on their platform there are more than 100,000 companies are there. Small startups, and we are
small scale.
Yes. So that every single person will get benefit of it.
Any kind of vision do you have for a woman in defense?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Last month, with one more delegation, I was here in India and with BIGSTORY, and what we were doing for these kind of target audience, what we are doing, we are coming into cosmetic business also.
Okay.
Yeah, cosmetic business, and we have a innovation. There is a Korean technology. There is a innovation. We are making, like I'll tell you openly, like sanitary pad. Basically, what are the three causes? What are the three problems with it? One is odor. Second is utility. You have to throw it. And third is bacteria.
Yeah.
What Korean people has done in the recent past, after 7 years of working on it, they have made an eco flush pad. So you can directly flush it in the toilet. So last month I was there with the Korean delegation, and we are looking forward to it to make in such kind of areas, so that women empowerment will come, and we'll create more job opportunities. So we are on it. You will come to know soon through Big Story. In telecommunication, in IT sector, and in agriculture sector, you will come to know we are doing our bit right now. So we are in process, and we are going to go hard and good for the betterment of the society.
Definitely, every individual is a very little bit, but yes, if we come together, we can make a big difference. And the Big Story is doing the same. We are finding the ideas, we are finding the stories, we are, finding the spirit behind the stories. If you have any story which can inspire others, come to us, share with us, because we are just for you. We are Big Story. Every individual can make a big difference in others' life. Just think about it, and if you have that kind of story, please share with us. Thank you so much.
It was lovely talking to you.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Seema. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, same here, dear.